Now, King's Cross and Pancras, one of the biggest stations in London, it serves about 6 different lines, so it can be very confusing. So it's always a good idea to know what your connection is and whether it's east, west, north or southbound. And we want the Piccadilly Line, westbound. Now there's 2 trains you can get, the Uxbridge bound one or the Heathrow. Both of them will go past Russell Square, which is only 1 stop. So they're very well signposted, so you just follow the signs when you leave the train. Now, as I say, if it's your first time in London, it can be very confusing, but there are a number of apps now you can use that will help you. It is very well signposted, which is the way I normally go, because that's the way I've always been used to. Now you've got a sign up there, the way out. We want to go towards the Piccadilly Line, so just follow the arrows. Down to the end of the platform. Now, as you can see, there's a few little steps going up as we head towards the Piccadilly Line. Not too many. I'm not sure if there's a lift up, maybe there is. Now, as I say, they're quite well signposted here at King's Cross, so you should just be able to, as leisurely stroll, you can just follow the arrows for the Piccadilly Line. So there we have it there. That's the Victoria and the Piccadilly, Northern and Piccadilly. Now, King's Cross St Pancras is one of the busiest transport interchanges anywhere in Europe. Millions of passengers pass through here every year. So it connects all the London Underground, National Rail services and the Eurostar to continental Europe. Now, they're pretty frequent, these trains, every two minutes or so. So you generally have plenty of time. Just follow the signs for the Piccadilly Line. There's a train just coming in there. But like I say, they're very frequent. There's no need to sort of rush.